everyone, this is Charles Bugweng, all the way from Kainta! We got a good one for you today, and that is 5 rain essentials that you need in your wardrobe. Since in the Philippines, we got such an unpredictable weather, I got 5 essentials for you that will get you through the sunny days and the rainy days. To show you how important these 5 essential things in your wardrobe, I'm gonna show you 2 outfits of each. 1. Streetwear. 2. Menswear. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! The first essential that you need is polyester shirts. So why polyester shirts? Well, in the Philippines, you'll be wearing a lot of jackets through the rainy days. So you need a shirt that will cool you off and absorb your sweat. Different brands offer different kinds of length of polyester. 1. Uniqlo's Airism. Airism offers 50% cotton and 47% polyester. Calvin Klein offers 100% polyester. Algodon means polyester in Latin. And this Adidas is offered in 100% polyester. To style the shirt, essential number 2 is windbreaker. The windbreaker is a lightweight material. Some windbreaker offer a water-repellent material. Ikaza! Essential is Harrington Jacket by Uniqlo. It's made of 100% cotton and polyester. It is a lightweight material that offers water-repellent coating. Let's go! Is trousers by Uniqlo. It's made of polyester, ride-on, and spandex. It offers small amount of water repellent, but it will not get you through storms. Let's go! The final essential that you need is Trenton Deluxe by Easy Soft. It's made of lightweight rubber. It is waterproof. Let's go! Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment down below on what you want to see next. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace!